Where's it from? Santa?
Yeah. Let's just say the box is Converse. Time to get it open. Oh my God.
Sweet.
Max wants his present.
Wow, those are cool, Kennedy. What size are they? Did you get the size right?
Wow. They're size 3. I don't know what that is. What's Battleship?
It's a board game.
It's fun.
It's fun to
really
play.
fun. I've never played it.
Cool,
It's
you
really
got Battleship?
Yeah. They fit, Mommy. They fit, yeah. They're
Cool.
3s, but they fit. They're 3s? Yeah, they fit though.
What do you think? Would they be too big or small?
No, they fit. Oh, Bo! Bo, can I give this to Bo? I know what it is.
Sure.
Bo, looky. Look, you got a person. Ricky, but you did too. Is
Bo.
Max in here?
Yeah, he's so
Bo.
He can't.
Bo.
Mommy.
Hey, Bo.
Bo,
Why are you
looky.
chewing up your ball?
What if you could
They fit,
hard
Mommy.
to distract him from this?
Here, look, I'll give Max his present.
You want to bring Daddy
Kinsey,
another
don't
present?
start that, okay? I got a couple over here.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
It's for you. Look, Daddy, what is that? You got pepperoni ribs.
Oh, wow.
Do you want one? Look,
Santa knew Max
looky.
wanted food.
Bo got more balls?
You got big bones. Those will be harder to chew up.
Daddy.
What?
Do you like it?
Max likes his
Do you
present.
like it? Where's that?
You ready to eat it?
He wants one of those.
Max. Max, what'd you get? What'd you get, Max?
What'd you get,
Max,
Max? What'd you get?
I'm kind of see ya.
Yeah.
What'd you get, Max?
Can I give Bo one of his balls because he really wants one? They smell good, Max.
Are those the tough balls?
Want some more balls?
Yeah. Yummy. Yummy.
Murphy.
Bo,
Murphy,
you're
Murphy.
funny.
China shop.
Bo, Bo, that's not yours.
Oh, that's not your ball.
Looky. It says 2 kitty cats. Where's the kitty cats? Well, Professor Lupin's under the tree, I think. Not anymore, maybe.
Bo, you dropped your ball. Where's your ball?
Okay, where's the kitty cats?
Murphy.
Go lay down.
Mommy.
Might have to get the boys
Mommy.
to play with their toys outside.
Go lay down.
Can I open this? Mommy, here's one to both of us. Can I open this? Together. Can I open this, Daddy?
Tonight?
Wait, Kennedy and Brandy.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Can I open
That
this?
must be
Who's it
from
from?
Santa. Yeah.
Mhm.
I wonder what it
Okay,
is.
wait, let's see what this one is.
Murphy,
What'd you
don't worry,
pick?
you get a present too. I see.
Oh! That's awesome! Oh my gosh! I know what we're going to be watching today.
Traditional Christmas movie.
Yeah.
Can I open
For the
this?
Swedes, huh?
Yes.
Gotta wait.
Cool.
You can keep it in your pile.
Who's it from?
It's from
Hey.
Grandma.
Can you bring a couple
Cool.
more presents over, Kennedy?
Yeah. It's the miraculous journey of Edward Tulin.
Whoa.
Ooh, very